Okay, Megan Smith here. I'm really excited to talk about wills today. Actually, not even wills, just creating a legacy. So you don't need to be rich to create a legacy. You don't. I'm not rich and I'm creating a legacy. You just need a plan. So you always might hear the term generational wealth and think of, those really rich people, blue bloods. I think it's not Blue Bloods, maybe. I don't know. I know that's a show about cops, but there's a term that you use when you come from money. So maybe it's not Blue Bloods. Whatever. Anyways, when you come from generational wealth, fed with a silver spoon, that might be another term. It's not just about money. It's about assets and opportunity and knowledge that you're passing down to future generations. So what does this look like? This could be real estate. It could be investments. It could be life insurance. It is very affordable to get $1 million to a $2 million life insurance policy for your family. And you know what? When you pass away, that creates generational wealth. It can also be businesses. So you can use estate planning tools such as wills and trusts to create your generational strategy. They are tools to preserve and protect what you've built. And without a plan, your assets could be tied up in probate. And then if you're looking at estate taxes, depending on what state you're in, or even lost to disputes. So estate planning makes sure that your wealth doesn't disappear and that it multiplies. And you don't need millions to plan. A home, savings, retirement accounts, life insurance, that is all wealth. It's not just how much money you have in the bank. So planning appropriately ensures that those assets are going to reach the people that you love efficiently. And without a plan, the court is going to decide who gets what. Family fights can erupt. Legal fees can eat away at your estate. And your kids might receive lump sums with no guidance or guardrails. So using a trust to build your legacy can protect your minor children or any other vulnerable beneficiaries that you might have, like somebody that might have special needs. It provides long-term control over how and when your assets are distributed. And it could be useful for divorce proofing, creditor protection. It's never a good idea to add a child to a bank account or your house because that becomes one of their assets. There's a whole nother video on that one. It can also be used for education funding or entrepreneurial support for future generations. So estate planning is not just for you. It's an opportunity to teach your children how to protect, manage, and grow your wealth. And it's important to include family in this conversation as well. So if you have questions, you know where to find me.